Want to factory reset your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones? Let's do it. Turn off your headphones by pressing and holding the power button on the left ear cup. Press and hold the power button and ambient sound control button together for 10 seconds. Release when the LED flashes blue 4 times. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Bluetooth. Click the information icon next to your headphones. Select Forget this device. Turn on your headphones by pressing and holding the power button. Pair your headphones again via Bluetooth. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.